Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you are new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this very vibrant and colorful eye makeup look. It has corals, blues, greens and gold. It is very easy to create, but it's very colorful and vibrant. So let's get started. All the products that I've used for this tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below as always, so don't forget to check that out and let's get going. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with Wet n Wild's concealer in medium beige, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid and set it with Colourpop setting powder in translucent. I'm going to use NYX Sugar Trip Squad palette. I'm going to use the dark coral shade and apply it all over my lids. I'm going to apply the same shade over again so that I'm happy with the way it looks, and then with that lighter shade I'm going to go over and blend it well so that there are no harsh edges. I'm repeating the same step of dabbing more colors till I'm happy with the color payout. I'm going to define my brows with Sugar's brow definer in cherry brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. You know by now that I don't like those sharp edged eyebrows. To add that vibrant effect on my eye look this time, I'm going to use NYX Vivid's Bright in Vivid Sapphire. It's a beautiful vivid blue shade, but once it dries out, it turns out a little patchy. I do not know why, but it's a beautiful shade. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to use Rimmel's kohl liner in the shade Emerald, and I'm going to smoke it out on my lower lash line like this. For defining my brow bone area, I'm going to use any highlight shade, and I'm going to use this beautiful antique gold shade and pop it up into my inner corner. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a good coat of Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. If you want to add false lashes, then go ahead and add false lashes. For my under eye dark circles, I'm going to use Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade Honey. I'm going to apply a little product and dab it with a beauty blender and spread it all over my dark circle area and set it with Colourpop's setting powder in translucent. And finally, this is the look, you guys. Very easy and vibrant, colorful pop of color on your eyes. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And guys, please subscribe and show some love towards my channel, and there are many more videos on my channel, so go and check them out. And until next time, take care. Bye.